Good morning, students. Welcome to the Math Algebra 2, Grade 10, Distance Learning Lesson Plans for Week 1, March 22nd to 26. Day 1, March 22nd. The resources required for this lesson is Khan Academy, Person Realize if available, Math is Fun website, lesson packet, paper, pencil or pen. The learning target, which is I can graph y equal ab to the power of x. First, you have to answer the guiding question: how are exponential graph equation translated from its parent graph as the coefficient base and exponent values are changed? First activity, you have to watch the Khan Academy video and lesson on Intro to Exponential Functions and Graphing Exponential Function. Next activity, you have to complete the exponential function assignment and submit it on ManageBack before the 24th of March. Then the next activity, use the 10 minutes to check online and read about exponential function reference to help you better understand the properties of exponential function. Then last thing, again, which is your formative assessment, to complete the exponential functions assignment and upload it on ManageBack within the task Dropbox, but not later than March 24th, 2020. Day 2, March 23. Same resource required for the lesson, the learning targets, which are translating the parent function, converting between the graphical, algebraic, and language representations of parent functions, identifying parent functions by name, graph, and equation. First, you have to answer the guiding question: what is a function? Then the activities that you need to do: first, you have to watch a video on Khan Academy, which identifies functions transformations, part 1 and 2. Then you have to complete the Identify Function Transformations practice page online. Then you have to use the last 10 minutes to check online and read about functions transformations to help you better understand the properties of exponential functions. And there is no submission of this work. You have to check your work with your parents. Day 3, March 24th, you will use the same resources for this lesson. The learning targets will be different, using an exponential model using e to the power of x, understanding the basic formulas for exponential growth and decay, and apply them to real-life situations. First, you have to answer the guiding question: what is an exponential growth and decay? Then the first activity, you have to watch a video on Khan Academy, which tells you about the introduction to exponential growth and decay. Then the next activity, you have to complete the essential growth versus decay practice page online. And the last activity, you have to use the last 15 minutes to check online and read about exponential growth and decay to help you better understand the properties of exponential functions. Then there is no submission of this work. You have to check your work with your parents. Day 4, March 25th, same resources you will use, and the standards-based learning targets, which will be I can graph logarithmic function. The guiding question will be writing exponential equations in logarithmic form. First activity you have to do is you have to go to Khan Academy and watch a video that is called Evaluating a Logarithm. Then you have to answer a question the next 10 minutes. What is the value of log base 8 to the power of 32? Then the last activity for 10 minutes, you have to check online and read about the properties of logarithmic functions. Then you have to check your work and do the formative assessment, which you have to complete the logarithmic functions worksheet and upload it to ManageBack within the task Dropbox, but not later than March 29th, which is next Sunday. For day 5, March 26th, same resources required for the lesson, the standards-based learning targets, which is I can graph logarithmic function. The guiding question that you need to answer is about what is a logarithmic function. Then the first activity you have to do, you have to watch a video on Khan Academy, which explains how to evaluate a logarithm and the shape of a logarithmic parent graph. The next activity, which you need to graph the logarithmic function and you have to send your answers to ManageBag in Dropbox. Then the last activity, which is the last 10 minutes, you have to check online and read about logarithms and exponents to help you better understand the properties of logarithmic functions. Then you have to check your work and do the formative assessment, which is completing the logarithmic functions worksheet and upload it to ManageBag within the task Dropbox, but not later than March 29th, 2020. Thank you.